Hello student, today we are going to discuss the digital forensic investigation process. So in last lecture we discussed what is cyber forensics, what is computer forensics, what is digital forensics, need of digital forensics. Also we discussed what is digital forensics. So what is digital forensic? The information or database which is to be preserved and analyzed format and which is to be presented in front of the court and which is to be legally recognizable. So there are different phases or steps and rules which are available for the digital evidences. So rules of digital evidences are the all statement which the court permit or require to be made before it by witness. The all document that are produced for the inspection of the court are called documentary evidences. So these are the term which is to be used in the term that is court. Now the digital forensic investigation process model. There are two things which are available at crime scene and in lab. So what are the things which is to be performed by the cyber inspector at the crime scene and at the lab? So identification of the cyberspaces, collection of relevant data and preserve that data in the storage media. So these are the things which is to be performed by the cyber inspector at the crime scene or crime location. First of all, if any crime activity which is to be performed, first of all here the cyber inspector has to identify which are the cyberspaces or smartphone gadget which are available. With the help of that we are going to prove that the crime scene or crime which is to be happen, then collect that data and preserve that data. Now in lab, what are the things which is to be performed by the cyber inspector? Examine that data, analyze data. Analyze means what? That data which is to be valid in front of the court and present that data in front of the court. So these are the types and process for the digital forensic investigation model, that are identification of a data, collection, preservation, examination, analysis and presentation. In next we will discuss rule of evidences. Okay, thank you.